In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Canva size to A4. We'll walk through this using a single design, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to switch any Canva project to the standard A4 size, whether you need it in portrait or landscape. First, open the design you want to resize in the Canva editor. This could be a poster, a flyer, a document, or any other layout you've already started working on. Give it a second to fully load so that all the tools appear across the top of your screen. Now, look at the top toolbar towards the left-hand side. There, you'll see a button labeled Resize. This is the key feature we'll be using. Go ahead and click on Resize. When you do, a drop-down panel will appear, showing different resizing options. In that drop-down, you'll see a section called Browse by Category. Just below that, you'll find an option that says More. Click on More to open up the full list of size presets. This is helpful because Canva has a lot of default sizes, and More lets you quickly search for what you need instead of scrolling. Once that section is open, look for the search bar at the top of the panel. Click into the search bar and type A4, then press Enter on your keyboard. Canva will now show you all the A4 related options it has available. From the search results, you'll usually see at least two main choices: Document A4 Landscape and Document A Portrait. Landscape is wider than it is tall, which is good for presentations or wide layouts. Portrait is taller than it is wide, perfect for letters, documents, and most printables. Choose the one that best fits how you want your final design to look. After you've selected either A4 Landscape or A4 Portrait, look towards the bottom of the resize panel. You'll see two options: copy and resize this design. If you click copy and resize, Canva will create a new A4 version of your design and keep your original file unchanged. This is a safer option if you want to test different layouts or keep the first version for comparison. If you click resize this design, Canva will convert your current file directly into the A4 size, replacing the old dimensions. Choose the option that fits your workflow, let Canva adjust the design, and that's it. Your project is now set to A4 and ready for printing or sharing.